Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I do my own pedicure. So to save money, I always do this at home. It's simple and the end result is very beautiful. That is a quick intro how I do my setup whenever I want to give my feet a treat. And also these are the product and tools that I'm gonna use for this tutorial, so do check my description box. In the bowl I'm adding warm water and a bit of shower gel. Then I dip my feet in the water and again I add a bit of glycerin and sea salt. Then first I will allow the feet to soak for 5 minutes, and this helps soften the feet and the cuticle. Then after I begin to trim my nails. I normally use nail scissors. You can also use nail cutter if you want. Then I go in for my cuticle and I use the other end to remove any dirt inside the nail. I'm trimming the other feet and then I'm using the cuticle to remove any dirt inside the nails. So right now I'm using the other side of the cuticle to remove any dead cell or the dead skin around the nails. I do this on the toe, around the nails, or you can try it inside the nail just to make sure everything is clean in there. Then I will dip my feet back in the water, switch to the other side and do the same thing on the other feet. So I'm removing any dead skin around the cuticle until it's clean. So good. After trimming and cleaning the cuticle, it's time to scrub my feet. So I'm gonna scrub my feet, under my feet, around my toes. Then I switch the other side and then do the same thing to the other feet. Scrub, 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 and then scrub. So right now I'm using the other side of the scrub that is a bit smoother, so I'm using that one just to massage it a bit. Now it's time to do my feet exfoliate. I normally do it myself. I use brown sugar, Aloe Vera, and a bit of shea butter, and I mix it together. And then I use it to massage my feet. So I'm going to massage under my feet, around my toes, and then at the back of my feet. And then dip my feet back in the water, switch to the other side and do the same. So after this, I clean and dry my feet and then I change the water. So right now I'm filing my nails. Then I give it a quick brush. So that is my nail brush. Then I'm done. So normally what I do is I use shea butter and olive oil to moisturize my feet. You can use any moisturizer. So the next step, I'm coating my nails. Then I wait for it to dry. Then I use my nail polish. That is coffee brown. So girls, do try this at home and you're gonna love it. Remember, the summer is coming. So in case you make any mess around the cuticles, that is pedicure stick. Use it, pick a bit of cotton around it and dip it inside a nail remover and clean it nicely. I switch to the other nails, and when I'm done, I coat it with shine. Nail shine. Then I'm done. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.